Shorten English Junior, August 2014. Start. Mr. Speaker, Sir, I am very much grateful to the honorable members of this House who have participated in this debate. I am much obliged to them for the valuable suggestions they have made. I would like to assure them that their suggestions will receive my careful consideration in course of time. Their criticisms and suggestions are very important for the government at this juncture. I am sure the government will be greatly benefited by the valuable suggestions of the honorable members, and I thank them specifically in this respect. During the election that has been taken place recently, the people have shown their wisdom in supporting the candidates not on the basis of individual influences but on the basis of issues which are relevant to them. It is a well known fact that our country has recently started its march towards a great change brought about throughout the world because of the policy of liberalization followed by several countries in the world. It is true that there are differences of opinion in some parts of the country over the effect of such new ideas for a country like ours. We are able to see the experience of other countries which are placed in a position similar to us. But I am very happy to state that if we follow the new path for development, our country will soon become a big regional power. I would like to draw the kind attention of the honorable members of the House to the fact that the problems of the country are so great that it will not be possible for the government alone to solve them. In fact, they require mutual cooperation and understanding among all the political parties in the country. I am very happy to inform the House that when I met the leaders of the opposition parties, I was able to have a very good discussion with them on the problems facing us at the present time. On this occasion, I would like to assure the House that this government will consult all the parties in regard to framing of schemes for the benefit of the people. In all the major issues concerning our people, we will try to arrive at a consensus in financial reforms and all welfare legislation. We have made some changes in the method of procurement and supply of food grains. With these few words, I conclude. Letter from Bharati Stationery Mart, Madurai to Mrs. Johnson and Company, Chennai. Dear sirs, this is with reference to our earlier correspondence ending with our letter dated the 6th instant. We had explained that we were supplying various items of computer stationery and we had also enclosed our catalog for favor of your information. We hope that you have taken into consideration our letter and that you will be able to extend your patronage to us. We are glad to inform you that our representative will be at your place during the first week of next month in connection with sales promotion in that area, and we would be grateful if you could kindly intimate a suitable date and time for a meeting. We believe that with the patronage of large companies like yours, we will be able to grow from strength to strength. We eagerly await your early and favorable response to our request in the matter. Yours faithfully, Staff.